Let's get to the floor show of the New York Stock Exchange for reaction from trader John Corpina. John, we've got that, plus the markets coming into this holiday shortened trading week with the focus off earnings and on to the Fed. And here we go. We got Waller and Mary Daly, although Daly not a voting member.
Right, you're right. Here we go again, right? It's the market is weighing on what the Fed is going to do. It's pushing everything else aside, and we're focusing on that. Obviously, last week we saw a tremendous amount of activity, and the somewhat whispering sentiment was that the Fed was going to hold rates for this December meeting. But as some other comments have come out that we've heard from some voting and non-voting members, that there looks like they're going to continue that path of cutting rates. We're seeing that in market activity on Friday.
And look, John, sorry to interrupt you, but the Fed funds futures right now up 81% for a 25 basis point. And it was Thursday that it was at like 40-something%.
It was at 43 on Thursday. This morning when I was writing my notes to you, it was at 70, right at 70s, right? Yeah. So we can see how that really moves, and it's trending in that direction, looking for a cut that's coming on the 11th.
What else is at work with the markets, though, besides the Fed, John?
We're looking at a few things that are here. I mean, clearly, as we're getting towards the end of the month and end of the year, this money that's been sitting on the sidelines that's looking for some opportunities. With the sell-off that we've had in the market recently, kind of puts a little bit of our market in perspective. We have some bargain hunting cash that's been sitting on the sidelines. If you look at Amazon, if you look at Meta, they're essentially flat for the year. Tesla's down 3% on the year. So some of those big names that are out there are relatively cheap considering where they were and what our market has done and what their peers have done. So I would expect some money to start coming into our markets as we get past this holiday this week.
Usually a holiday shortened week has thinner volume. You're expecting more volume because of specific window dressing that I want our viewers to be aware of, because we could see a little bit of volatility here. What is it?
Yeah, we're going to see some volatility and some large volume on the close today. The Morgan Stanley Capital International Markets has this large quarterly rebalance of their portfolios, of their ETFs, of their indices. It happens every quarter. It's occurring on the close today. We're going to see a lot of volume. We're going to see a lot of fluctuation. You've got some holdings that they're overweight that they need to sell. You've got some underweight holdings that they need to buy. All the big names, all the capital names that are out there, spread across sectors, spread across U.S. and international. So expect to see a big spike today. When we do see that, that gives portfolio managers an opportunity to either buy or sell large chunks that they're looking to get in or out of without having a big impact on the stock. So you're going to see a big volume spike in the next 25 minutes or so.
Next 25 minutes, a volume spike. And I just want to let our viewers know that basically you'll see 199 additions and 211 deletions of certain stocks. So when that starts to merge in the next 25 minutes, what I'm hearing you say is that we will see a pickup. Can you anticipate, John, if it's going to be to the upside, especially considering we've had Fed Governor Waller and now Mary Daly both saying that they support a rate cut again in December?
Yeah, in a perfect world, you want that to be equally balanced, right? You want enough buys and enough sells in all these different stocks to balance themselves off. Early indication into that right now, there is a significant amount to sell, which I'm not surprised about because the way our market activity has been the last 2 days, we might see some quick short-term profits come off the table into the close here.
Happy Thanksgiving, John.
Always a pleasure, Liz.
So great to see you.